Hey everyone, it's Chris with Spy Living, and today I'm just going to do a simple unboxing of this guy right here, which is a Baratza Encore Burr grinder. Now, if you look through my content, you notice in 2015 I had bought one of these and had done a walkthrough of it, and I'll try and leave a link to that below. But after moving this halfway around the country and wear and tear on it after 5 years, it still works, but the hopper is broke, the plug on the side is broke, and I thought it was time to buy a new one. So today we're just going to do an unboxing, and you can see exactly what you can get. As you can guess, since I've bought this a second time, it's something I do highly recommend. And if you're looking for one of these, I will leave a link below. So let's get started. All right, so when you open her up here, first thing you get is a quick start guide. And let's put this on the side here. And there we go. It's very well packaged. I got this off of Amazon, but I think it was technically Seattle Coffee that actually sold it to me. Here in the box is the hopper for the coffee beans. And here we go. Got this in the box here. And there we go here. So this comes off here. There we go. That is on. And just need to take the plastic off. And missing one other thing, which is, well, how about that? Bet you it's in here. Yep. This is a plastic thing I forgot to put on, and here is the switch and a little bit of cleaning thing. So go ahead and try this one more time later when we get a chance. So a little bit different design, has the Baratza along the side, but still pretty good build quality, and it holds it in a little bit better. But would I buy one of these again? Yeah, absolutely, I would buy one of these again. So I'm gonna leave a link below. If you're looking for a good quality Burr grinder that's not too expensive, then I would take a look at the Baratza Encore. And other than that, that's it for today. I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.